Assalamu alaikum guys, today I'm making chicken strip and rice. In a pot of water, add in your washed rice. I used 2.5 cup of rice as I'm making it for a big family. But you can use less depending on how many you are making it for. Add 1 teaspoon of curry powder and salt. This is a homemade curry powder that my dad made, but you can buy it from any store. If you don't have a curry powder, you can use turmeric instead. Stir and cook for 10 minutes. We are going to strain it out before it's fully done, so you can stir fry it later. First, we are going to marinate the chicken. For that, we need half kg chicken breast cut into strip. Add 1 teaspoon garlic and ginger paste, half teaspoon mixed herb, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. You can use fresh lemon too. 1 teaspoon chicken and lemon seasoning, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon yogurt, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon tomato puree, 1 teaspoon nandos sauce, 1 teaspoon nandos seasoning, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and salt to taste. Mix everything and allow this to marinate for about 20 minutes to an hour. After marinating it for an hour, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. I used olive oil, but you can use any. Now you are going to add the marinated chicken, stir and cook for 5 minutes. Then cover and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring in between. After that, uncover it and stir and cook for 5 minutes until it's done. Don't let the chicken dry up. To a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Then add chopped onions. Cook for 3 minutes. Then add mixed peppers and stir for 5 minutes. Add 2 Maggi cubes, half teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. Stir for another 5 minutes. Add the rice and mix it well. Add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, mix it well, and cook for 5 minutes. Remove it from the heat and it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.